Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this feather centerpiece. You will need a 32-inch vase, one floral foam bouquet, and lots of feathers. Let's get started. Okay, real quick guys, this is the bridal bouquet. This is not the one that I was using, but you're going to be sticking, it has foam on the inside of it, and you can buy it to place the foam to go in there. And we're going to be sticking the feathers in between the different sections of the bouquet. Now you want to start at the bottom and work your way up all the way to the top of the middle circle of the bouquet, and just go around in circles like I placed the vase on this tray, so it would be easier for me to turn it around instead of me walking around the table. But just start from the bottom and work your way all the way up into the top into different type of layers. As full as you would like them. I like mine pretty full, so you don't see any spaces in between. To me, they just look more prettier if they're totally filled out and full. And it turned out pretty. What you think?